Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to give you a journal preview because I'm having difficulties uploading the videos. My daughter's trying to help me figure some things out. But anyway, I'm going to try and do these in two parts. And if I can go back later and combine them, I'll just delete this first video that I'm going to upload. So this one is all about the journal covers. I have three of the Rosalin's solo journals here, you guys. They are collector's editions. I just kind of let myself go. I didn't worry about what size things were going to be. No, that's a lie because I did. But anyway, so they are 5 inches, 6 inches, and the one that is spoken for is the most chunkiest, I do believe, handbag purse journal that I've done to date. So I'm explaining that they are basically pretty much the same, as I said, the fraternal twins with slight differences. Okay, so let's get into this one. This one has a 5-inch spine, and I have a silhouette of Rosalin on the cover. And I like the way that I did her a little differently. Her locks are showing, and so I like that better than the others. But anyway, so I've got some filigree pieces going here, lots of layered laces. I cut apart and layered. And this little chain here is supposed to be the extra chain that you need if you have to increase your spine width. And it's also to act like just a keychain for her. You know, back in the days, the ladies would wear the little chains around their waist that would hold all of their keys. So anyway, to this side here, this piece has a dual purpose here, and it's just got a locket on the end of that as the main focus. And I'll explain things more in depth when I get into the bigger journal. And that at the top says, I can't see it. I don't think it says Destiny. I think that one says Journey. I'm not for sure. I don't know. It doesn't. I'll have to take a picture and look at that a little bit better. Okay, so here are the end dangles. So, excuse me. Lots of bling, lots of crystals, and some shaking. The shaking little beads that you can get. So this, the chain that's running behind the silhouette of Rosalin is the connector piece, as I've stated. And to open up the journal, you simply have to remove these clips. And that cameo is also on its own separate clip if you want to remove that as well. The heck. So I think I'll show a little more detail as I do the other video. Not the other video. The other journal. Or probably the video, yeah. So I was explaining that the chain on the front of Rosalin's dress is designed to be able to be removed and to widen that spine piece if you need to. Not the spine piece, but the journal closure. Okay, and this is the handbag purse journal that is spoken for, so it also has some dangles. It's got 2 signatures. And when I do my handbag purse journals like this, you guys, they are supposed to stand up straight. And so I'm just showing you that it does. Okay, so they each journal has a little dangle like that. And the same goes for the spine piece. But she has a headdress. This is representative of her crown, or symbolic of her crown. And I'm just going to show you the back really quickly. And if you guys don't know anything about Queen Khalifa, you should look her up. She was indigenous to the Americas. She was melanated. So anyway, I'm showing you the same thing goes for that. And this is another little dangle piece that's on a chain, and I have it hooked in with pins to keep that from falling down like that. Okay, so for the monster. The monster, you say, aren't they all kind of monsters? 5 inches is quite huge. Well, this one is 6 inches, you guys. So where do we start? Okay, so all of these little dangles, I had to break this up, so hopefully I'm not repeating myself. So the little jewelry, I've just taken the little notes and added them onto the drippings on the bottom of the page. And lots of crystals, and yeah, that's a little shaker bead right there. I have a couple of, and that has a little diamond on the inside. A little. And I'm reading what that says. And it says, what lies within us. No, that's not what it says. I'm going to mess that all the way up. What lies before us, what lies behind us is nothing compared to what lies within us. It's pretty much what that says. So these, look, I've got 2 pieces that my son brought to me, and he's like, look, that goes perfectly with the journal. So of course I had to add it, you guys. And they're just the little cheap pieces that I think I got at Walmart, either Walmart or Hobby Lobby. And so as you can see, all of the journals are pretty much the same, yet different. This little piece is magnetized. And it's a part of my closure piece. I'm just trying to show you that it is magnetic. And here's the back. And it says Rosalin's Solo. With some gold trimming on there. Love the way everything turned out, you guys. So these are collector's editions, as you can see in the title. Now with the clock, instead of using the handpiece, I've taken one of the violins from the charm set and use that as a clock handpiece. And that's the other piece my son said I must add to this journal. And here I've made a little cameo and inset some little bling. And the same piece as the other journal. And these have a dual purpose, I think I've said before. And that one says Destiny up at the top. I think the numbers are 6197. And that's the back of the journal. Now, let's get to the inside. Oh, well, we're going to do that on another video. Okay, so this closure piece unhooks the same way as the other one does. But that, I'm going to grab a piece here. This is, in fact, a pocket. It's a generous size pocket right behind Rosalin. I'll add something back there later. And that is it, you guys. Stay tuned for part 2, hopefully coming soon.